What is up guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to be showing you the ASUS Zen UI for our Redmi Note 4. Now I'm not recommending to use this ROM as your daily driver on your Redmi Note 4, but this ROM is pretty cool as it has been straight up ported from a Zen phone. Yes, this is not just an app compilation with small mods, it's a complete ROM port. One of the things that you won't be even installing this ROM is first one, Android Marshmallow. Second one, the camera doesn't work. It's pretty slow. The ASUS Zen UI animations are just hectic. So here is your home screen. This is how it looks. Complete Zen UI. If you just hold on in the middle, you will get more options. Then here is your quick settings panel. Yep, it has a blur and these are your quick settings. And yes, it does look beautiful on our Redmi Note 4. You have quick boost, then flashlight, Bluetooth, all of your normal stuff. There is no battery saver, which is surprising. Let's just quickly boost our phone. It's just full of animations. Nice. Now let's just explore some of the apps over here. Starting with the phone, pretty lightweight, but it doesn't give the performance of the Oppo and Vivo phones, even though it's like a lightweight theme. Going to the contacts, yeah, it's the same app. My ASUS camera doesn't work. ASUS camera is just impossible to port as like the Samsung cameras. Clock app does look nice. Then you have some stuff over here. Yeah, just the normal things. Yes, the Equalizer looks quite nice and it also works pretty perfect. You can actually feel the difference between the mods. Then you have the calculator, do it later, which is like a reminder app. File manager is also well made. As you can see, it gives you a whole layout of your internal storage. Then the category of it reminds me of the Samsung one because they also have the same UI as like this. On the bottom you have like the Samsung Cloud and stuff. But yeah, you have storage analyzer where you can clean your stuff too. As it also has the duplicate files. If you just download tons of ROMs, you can clear it over there. Then you have the FM radio, flashlight doesn't work because the camera module is not working. Your Instagram, laser ruler, it doesn't work as we don't have a laser focusing system. You have mini movie, which is like a movie editor, works pretty nice. I have not really tested it out, so can't actually give a review on that. Like ASUS is pretty packed to be honest. Then you have the mobile manager. You have this where you can scan for the data usage, power saver. You can even boost over here. The animations are pretty impressive. Then you have the photo collage, just a lightweight photo editor, quick memo, settings, share link, sound recorder. Blended is pretty nice. You can actually control the colors of your screen. And yes, you can actually set it for cooler, warmer. Then the saturation of the colors comes in handy if you are watching a lot of videos. Then you have the themes and just the normal stuff such as the music app. Then the Zen circle. Seriously don't know what this is. Oh, it's just a community. Let's hop into the settings. As you can see, nice layout over here. Going to the display, you don't get a lot of options over here, just the standard such as the ambient display, LED indicator. You also get the font style, which is like a hidden feature in Zen UI. You also get the ASUS curve, which is of no use to us. Then you have the storage, USB, power management. Then just like MIUI, you get your Zen motion and stuff, which are just integrated apps inside over there. As you can see, it opens up the normal security app. Damn, ASUS is also following the paths of the normal Chinese ROMs. Then you have ASUS customized settings. These are the hidden settings like the recent task key, glove mode, pretty nice touch. Scrolling down, just a normal stuff, you do get a kids mode, pretty nice. Going to the about phone, as you can see, Android version 6.0.1. Then you have the security patch, older than the actual phone I guess, yep, June 2016. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the ASUS Zen UI on your Redmi Note 4. Seriously don't recommend to use this as your daily driver, but if you are just exploring ROMs and if you want to explore other OEMs, how it works on your Redmi Note 4, please check out my another videos like the Oppo Color OS and the Flyme 6. Those are pretty good ROMs for our Redmi Note 4, and see you in the next one. Peace.